Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI auto sites review. So what actually is AI auto sites? Guys, AI auto sites is an advanced WordPress automation plugin that simplifies content creation and publishing. It intelligently discovers low competition, high traffic keywords across any niche topics that others are not targeting, and automatically generates and publishes SEO-optimized blog posts on your website. Designed to save time and maximize visibility, AI Auto Sites helps you grow your site effortlessly with consistent high quality content. Guys, AI Auto Sites gives you a fully self-running website system. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software AI Auto Sites. I'm going to show you also a quick demo how actually works this software. And keep in mind, this software goes live on 28th of March, 11 a.m. EST. Guys, in a nutshell, actually, AI Auto Sites actually a WordPress plugin, okay, that can really help you various way. How actually this software, this plugin will help you, I'm going to show you everything step by step. And the software creator of the software, AI Auto Sites, creator of this WordPress plugin, Amit Gaikwad and 𝗂𝗟𝗡𝗂𝗂, they actually launched lots of software, successfully won the marketplace, and this is the another one. So at first I'm going to show you a quick demo, then I'm going to show all other info like pricing, OTUs, money back guarantee, does worth this software, does worth your money, everything guys. So let's get started. Let's see the demo first.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to post high traffic content on your website automatically. This saves you time and keeps your site active with content that people actually want to read. To explore the main dashboard, first log into your AI Auto Sites account by entering your email address here. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all the key features are organized for easy access. To navigate the plugin's features, let's explore these quick navigation cards. You can see the seed keyword section for managing your target keywords, and the Google Trends feature that helps you discover what's currently trending. Here are additional powerful features available. You can manage image ALT tags for better image SEO, connect with Google Analytics to track your performance, access saved competition data, generate sitemaps, handle 404 redirections, and manage your authentication settings. Next, let's go to Step, which is to discover trending topics using Google Trends. To discover trending topics, click on Google Trends here in the menu. Change the country drop-down to your target location. In this case, we'll select United States to see what's trending there. The page will load the current trending topics for your selected country, giving you fresh content ideas that are already gaining popularity online. You have identified the trending topics that align with your content strategy. Let's go to the next step, which is to save these trends as keywords in the plugin. To save trends as keywords, select the trending topics that interest you by clicking their checkboxes, then click Save Seed Keywords to add them to your database. The system will save your selected keywords and navigate between the Google Trends and Seed Keyword sections to confirm the save. You'll now see your saved trending keywords listed on the Seed Keywords page, ready for content generation. Select all your saved keywords and click on any specific keyword to populate the search field, which will generate related keyword suggestions for your content strategy. Next, let's go to Step, which is to create an automatic posting schedule. Click on Auto Post Schedule to access the powerful automation feature. Hit Create Schedule and give your automation a descriptive name in this field. Select one of your saved keywords from the dropdown, then set how often you want posts created. You can choose daily, every few days, or weekly intervals. Configure the specific posting time. Decide how many blog posts you want generated, and choose whether posts should be published immediately or saved as drafts for your review. Select the appropriate category where these automated posts should be organized on your website. Click Save to activate your automatic posting schedule. The AI will now start creating and posting content to your WordPress site based on these settings. Your automatic posting schedule is now configured and ready to execute. Let's go to the next step, which is to run the automatic posts and review the logs to confirm everything is working properly. To run the schedule, you'll see your newly created schedule here in the list with control options like Run Now, Pause, and Delete. Click the Run Now icon to execute your schedule immediately. The system automatically takes you to the logs page to track the progress. Here you can monitor all activities including schedule creation and content updates like image alt text modifications. Use the Clear All Logs button to reset your log history when needed. Navigate back through the menu by clicking Authentication, then return to Logs to verify the clearing process. The Empty Logs page confirms everything has been cleared, giving you a fresh start for monitoring your automated content posting activities. Your schedule is now running and you know how to check the logs. Your site will automatically post high-traffic content without you lifting a finger. You're all set.
Okay, my friend, I hope you are fully understand about this software AI Auto Sites. They actually provide you lots of bonus, lots of security. Okay, why I claim this is the good software? Because I know the vendor, I know the person personally, 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐿 and 𝗂𝗓𝗡𝗏. They have been launched together over 4 years. Together they actually launched software over 4 years. So this is another one that can really help you. Here is a lots of information you can see. The official website link in my video description below, guys. Just consider the link, click the link and check out all the information. And the disclaimer is the official website, the link is the affiliate link. If you purchase through our link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions really help you to create free valuable videos like this one. Okay, here is a lots of information you can see, guys. I'm just going to bottom of this official website. You can see lots of info. Okay, you must check it out before purchase this software. And this software will give you 30 days money back guarantee. That means you have no risk. This is zero risk software. Here is the testimonial, the real purchaser. And right now I will introduce the pricing. The pricing is only $19. Okay, here is the $19 pricing, front end offer. But also the software has OTOs. OTO number 1, $67. OTO number 2, $47. OTO number 3, $97. This is all the OTOs and pricing of this software AI Auto Sites, guys. Okay, here is also the information. And do you have any questions? They will provide all your question answers. Here is the frequent asked question section. Do you have any kind of question? I think, guys, most probably you have this kind of questions on your mind. Okay, guys, I think, guys, I have given you enough information. I think you guys have subscribed my channel. Please, guys, subscribe my channel, and my recommendation is you can try this software AI Auto Sites that can really change your life, change your luck also. See you soon on next video.